In this video, we'll get acquainted with the SENET Shell interface, the client environment through which players launch games, order products, manage their gaming time, and stay updated with gaming center news. All key features for a comfortable gaming experience are centralized here. The main menu contains the key widgets: games, passes, shop, and news. They provide quick access to all gaming center features. The Games widget displays the full list of games available in the gaming center. Players can scroll through cards, use search, or open the full list via the Games tab. Cards can be sorted by category, alphabetically by creation date, or by availability of gaming center keys. By clicking a game, players can view details or launch it. Favorite games are added to the Favorites section for quick access. Game cards are created in the Admin panel in the Content section. Select a game from the SENET library, toggle it to add the game to your library, and specify the gaming centers and zones where the game will be available. Players can order food and products directly from their PC. Items can be conveniently browsed by category, added to the cart, or paid for instantly. Payment is available at the cashier, from the balance, or by bank card. Product cards are created in the shop section. Specify the stock quantity and select the payment methods available in your gaming center. The Passes widget allows players to take advantage of the gaming center's special tariff offers. Players can view details, add a pass to the cart, or pay. Payment is available via the main balance, bonus balance, or bank card. Create pass in the zones and rates. Passes tab. In Settings, choose the available pass payment methods. Do players forget to purchase pass after starting a session? Enable the Promotion of Passes toggle in the Admin panel settings, and players will see a pop-up with passes options immediately after session launch. The News widget keeps players informed about events, promotions, and updates. News is created in the Admin panel under the News section, where you can add unlimited posts and set their availability period. The news will automatically appear in the shell at the scheduled time. On the right panel, players can see their balance and gaming time. The balance can be recharged using a receipt or bank card, and players can also enter a promo code to receive bonuses. Order status, quick launch of favorite games, and access to the My Documents folder are also available here. Players can chat with the administrator, change the interface language, or send interface improvement ideas to the SENET team. In the cart, players can review added products and passes, edit them, or proceed to payment. Players can complete SENET Shell training to confidently use the system. If needed, the session can be locked for security reasons. Please note, billing continues even while the session is locked. To fully end the session, the player must click the logout icon. SENET Shell is a convenient and powerful interface for players and an efficient tool for the gaming center. Everything needed for comfortable gaming in one place.